Modding Burnout Paradise from Criterion Games and have BYZ data files. These contain game assets from this open-world racing classic. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Burnout Paradise game data files. If you frequently deal with unusual BYZ file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. Users, typically gamers and modders of Burnout Paradise, encounter BYZ files within the game's installation directory. Their intent is often to modify game assets, such as vehicle models or textures, or to troubleshoot issues with the game's data, requiring specialized tools to unpack these archives. The BYZ file is a proprietary binary archive format used by Criterion Games. It was designed to consolidate numerous game assets into a single container, optimizing loading times by reducing disk I/O operations. The internal structure is specific to the game engine and requires custom tools for extraction. The BYZ data container is optimally managed by Burnout Paradise, developed by Criterion Games. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows provides no functional preview, so viewing game data relies on compatible modding applications. We are looking for the exact software decoder. Right-click the BYZ file and select Open With. Use Burnout Paradise if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If you still cannot open your BYZ file, that is okay. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, using modding community tools. Download Burnout Paradise modding tools from sites like NextGen Update or the Burnout modding Discord communities. Tools like Bundle Manager handle BYZ archives for asset extraction and modification. The Burnout modding community has developed various utilities specifically for the game's asset format. Next, QuickBMS Scripts. Try QuickBMS with community-developed scripts targeting Burnout Paradise. The QuickBMS script repository may contain parsers for Criterion's archive format used in Burnout. Download relevant scripts and run QuickBMS, pointing to the script and BYZ file for extraction without specialized application installation. Finally, reaching out to modders. Connect with the Burnout Paradise modding community through Discord servers or forums dedicated to the game. Experienced modders can guide you through accessing BYZ files, providing tools, recommendations, and modding methodology learned through years of work with this specific racing game format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.